We started to see an uptick in business from November, and December was also excellent for us. I can say that over the Christmas holidays, between just before Christmas coming into the new year, Negril was buzzing. We were very good business for everybody. Hotel accommodations were very high, and the town in general was buzzing with visitors. The major issues, the highway from Montego Bay to Negril, is we are in desperate need of sorting that out. And even recently, the Prime Minister has said that that is getting priority. I know funds have been allocated for the repair of the highway, of the road now. And so we're hoping that that will, start and finish quickly because we already started the season, and it's one of the biggest challenges we have now. One of the things that I must also touch on is the water issues that we had last year. The drought has not started as early this time around as it did last year, so maybe that has something to do with it. But I know that a lot of improvements were made since the last time we had water issues. So I think that is helping us a lot now as well. So we're off to a very good start for the 2024-25 winter season, and and bookings are looking good. Business has slowed down a bit, which is traditional. We're not surprised by that, but we expect that the uptick will continue towards the middle and end of this month, and we should see a very robust season.